Good morning, guys. It's your favorite awkward girl on the internet, and today we are coming at you with another vlog. Yay! We have been up since 7 o'clock. RJ slept in his new big boy bed last night for the first time, and he woke up at 7, which is good. It's good for him, but we're not used to waking up until like 9, so like I'm a little tired, but this is good for him. It'll be easier for him to nap during the day if he wakes up this early. He did really well in his big boy bed. Oh. Thank you. Oh, okay. Oh. Mm-hmm. Tortilla chips in the morning. Definitely wasn't on my breakfast list. Thank you, RJ. But anyways, he did really well. It was really cute watching him wake up this morning, because like I could hear him stirring in there, and then I see him like pop up, and I see him get down and then crawl back into bed and then get out again. And then so finally I went in and looked in on him, and he was like it was really cute. Anyways, today we have some fun stuff planned. One of our good friends, Kayla, is supposed to come down. She's been in a vlog before, and we're probably gonna go to the beach, but I'm excited. But yeah, welcome to today's vlog. Watch out, baby, watch out. Whoa! Oh gosh. You look so cute. He just crawled up next to me. Mommy looks like trash. Hey guys, I figured I'd show you guys his big boy bed. Are those all your stuffed animals? So basically his crib turned into a toddler bed. So we took off the front last night, put the little attachment on, and now he's got a big boy bed. It has definitely made naps harder, so that's something to consider. But he just looks so cute in his big boy bed. We couldn't resist. Little outfit of the day, wearing a romper with a belt around it. Did my makeup and stuff. Yeah. Got your teddy bear and your elephant. Oh, you're gonna sit. Look at you. You just bundled up, aren't you? Where are you going? So we have the windows open.
Nah, it's beach, so you drive with the windows down, because beach.
That's beach.
Well, I guess this counts as beach.
Yeah, but we're on our way home. The beach was a lot of fun. RJ just kind of, he got to his tap out point, so we're leaving. I need a shower. I feel disgusting. I feel like he's gonna pass out any minute now. I have sand everywhere. Look at him. He's just sitting there with no head. Oh, Peaches. Hello guys, it is the next day. Sorry the vlog was a little bit everywhere. I'm here to explain a little bit of what was going on yesterday. So at the beach yesterday, it was just me as far as taking care of RJ goes. So watching and dealing with him kind of made it hard to vlog. I really wanted to vlog more, but I kind of couldn't. Little man's safety comes before anything else. And so we went home after that, and then after that, my friend Shayna invited me out to go to Target with her. So that's also where I went. I have no excuse for like the lack of clips there, except for that I suck at this, but I promise I'll get better. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thank you guys for watching. Chew, chew, chew. Oh, juice. Do you want juice? Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like it. If you like me, subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.